So one of the key pieces of gear that we had to switch out this time is our tent. Our tent was just a little bit too heavy and a little bit too bulky to be packing around in a backpack. And we've switched it up to this Durston X-Mid 2. It's a big heavy hitter in the thru hiking scene, and we're not used to a trekking pole tent rather than having your standard tent poles. This sets up with trekking poles. We've tried to set it up once already, and it definitely eluded us. After watching an instructional video, so we've rewatched that video like 3 times now, and we're gonna try it again. Let's see how it goes.
An hour this time.
Yes. So interestingly enough, the first thing that you're supposed to do is set up the fly, and then you insert the actual tent. Trying to get it perfectly square and tight.
Pointy side up. It's tight as it can go.
Baby steak.
It's way smaller than I realized.
I just love this feature. It's so cool. Just tight like that.
Really.
This is looking so much better than it did last time. Look at that. There's no drooping. It's tight everywhere.
It almost feels sturdier than a freestanding tent.
Now we gotta actually put the inside of it in. Spacious.
Oh, here's the So, just like loop around and hook to itself or something? Or is it? Oh!
Yeah.
It just touches. Such a nice group shelter when we're camping out for there.
Man, those clips are so cool.
Now we do the top. Hook to the ceiling. Oh, and then this little extra hook here down the bottom fits into the trekking pole handle. Oh, smile.
I think we did it. Yeah.
Wanna crawl in there and see how it feels?
Yeah, let's crawl in.
This door is so different too, because usually, what was it, just like a loop around?
Mm-hmm.
This has to be way easier on the zipper.
Oh,
Longevity.
yeah.
It's not straining it constant. Pretty spacious to be able to sit up in the middle. At least this area where you are.
Yeah, there's a lot of headroom in here. That's super cool. I like that. There's like just enough room for the two of us also.
Perfect.
Our sleeping bags are gonna be filling this bad boy out. What do you think? Home sweet home?
I love the mesh. It's going to be so nice for the summer. There's way more mesh than the other tent.
It's all mesh. Look at that. Look at that guy.
We got a couple pockets. Mesh pockets, so nothing more than a phone going in here probably. And yeah, just 2 pockets there. Look at all those bugs outside of our mesh.
Yes, look at all those bugs.
Not getting in here. No, sir.
Okay, I don't feel quite as concerned about setting it up anymore.
Yeah.
That's not too hard.
Just needed to do it for an hour and fail and watch the video 3 times. And
Yes.
try again.
Alright, let's take it all apart.
No. No, it's nap time.
Well, I can always go for some cuddles.
That's what the tent is for. It's the cuddle zone.
Yeah, the takedown seems like it's going to be super easy.
Yeah, I'll have to unclip all the poles and then wrap up the poles. Alright. 19 seconds.
Hard to believe all that tent fits in this little 1.9 pound bag.
And so fast!
Yeah, the takedown's
So
super
fast.
fast. Yeah, it was like
I love our new tent.
a minute and a half,
Turns
like
out.
90 seconds maybe?
Yeah. Less than 2 minutes, I bet.
Boom! X-Mid 2.